Hi people, welcome back to the vlogs. My name is Linda.
And I'm Michael.
And today we are taking you to Nairobi
Pizza Week. So how it's going to work, I will be taking you through Nairobi to check out some pizza joints that are doing the Pizza Week. And yeah, we'll be rating the pizzas from best to worst, or how cool the pizza places, you know, stuff like that. Yeah?
Yep, and we're starting with Dominos.
Dominos, yes.
Dominos.
Yes.
So Dominos don't have an offer for the Pizza Week, right?
Yeah, but they do have kids,
other offers.
Yeah, like kids eat free when you come with your kid in Pizza Inn. So in Domino's. So yeah, that's a plus. Yeah.
Then also they have which other offer?
Like this one,
The
get
large,
two.
get 2 plans for pizza for 1,500.
Yes.
So let's check out their pizzas.
Yes.
Can't wait. I'm hungry.
This is pizza
1.
number 1. So what's this Swahili chicken? So today we're having the Swahili pizza. So it's Swahili chicken, coconut, pineapple, sweet corn, and red chili. So for the Swahili chicken, I'm guessing they teach the chickens Kiswahili because they don't know of any Swahili chickens. Do you know of any Swahili chickens?
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah.
So that's our first taste. Yeah. So what do you think about it?
Oh, I love it. I love that pizza. It's unique.
Yeah.
I've not had the sweet corn on pizza before.
And it was a spicy kind of taste.
Yeah.
And it's light. Like you can have a large one by yourself and not feel guilty about it.
So for the taste of the food, I give it an 8 out of 10. You?
For me, I'll give it a 7.
Why?
Yeah? It didn't have a lot of toppings. It's a bit bare.
Okay. And for the price, what was the price?
Yeah, but the price was 350 for a small pizza. I think it's really good.
Yeah. And they have deals like every other day.
Yeah.
So for price, I'll give it also 8 out of 10.
Yeah, for price for me, I'll give it 8 out of 10. Very affordable.
Yeah. So overall is?
Yeah, overall together with the deals they offer, I think I'll give it a 7 out of 10.
I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
Yes.
So let's head to the second pizza place. Debonairs. Hi.
So choose from here. 2 large pizzas comes with 2-liter soda for 14.
Pizza number 2. So we are at
Debonairs Pizza.
Debonairs Pizza.
The one on Gong Road.
Yes.
Yeah. And the deal is buy 1 large pizza for 1,450.
Yeah. I like the deal. It's so much pizza. We wonder what we'll even do with it.
Yeah. And we've chosen barbecue bacon and creamy chicken as the flavor.
Yeah. We'll have a taste and we'll give you a review, an honest review.
Coming soon. Okay, in 12 minutes.
In 12 minutes. So here are the pizzas. Which one are you starting with? Creamy chicken. And for me, I love this. The barbecue bacon. But I think for the topping for this one, so
For the second pizza, the taste was okay.
really, what do you give it? Rank it?
A 6 out of 10.
For me, I think I like this one more. It's more yummy, so I'll give it 8 out of 10. Okay, so after taste?
And the price, not the price, sorry, the deals were good, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's way more pizza than we know what to do with. So
Yeah.
that's a bonus. So for me, the deal they get the 9, and they're doing the pizza with action. Yeah.
I'll give it an 8.
Okay. So
Yeah.
overall,
Overall, 7.
a 7. So for overall, for me, an 8. So an 8. Oh, a 7.5. So both of them, so far, number 1 and number 2 get a 7.5. Okay. So where to next? Thank you. Okay, have the fastest.
So this one, we got the small one.
It's like a baby pizza.
Yeah.
As I can
Cheesy.
see, it's more cheesy. We ordered pepperoni. Cheesy. Review time.
So what do you think about this place?
For me, I like the ambience. Like it's a cool place, nice decorations. The pizza, I'll probably give it a 7. I wasn't the biggest fan of it, but it's yummy, but too much. I think cheese and.
And I love cheese.
Yeah.
Ooh, it was my best pizza so far.
So you give them what?
A 9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10. Okay, for me it's a 7. And for like the deal, they get a 0 because they did have the pizza.
Yeah.
Pizza
Pizza week.
pizza week deal. And for the overall,
I'll give it. I like the place. It's pretty. It's chill out, and the food is good. So I'll give it an 8.
my overall they also get an 8. Yes.
Okay.
So off to
The next one.
next one. But for this one, we leave you with our thoughts on pizza.
Fine, thank you.
We're here for the pizza week. Pizza week.
Let
Yeah.
me get you the menu.
Yeah, okay. Picazzo.
Picazzo
Yeah.
restaurant in Karen at the hub.
Yes. And this is more like a real restaurant, like a fancy wine restaurant.
Wine and dine.
Yeah. Which is a good change from the fast food joints we started with.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you've come round circle. Huh?
Full circle.
Full circle, yes. Round circle, full circle. So tell them what you're doing.
We have ordered the pizza margarita, which has mozzarella, tomatoes, basil, and oregano.
Yes.
Yeah. Fancy pizza, just a classic pizza. So that Pizza place number 4, Picazzo.
And the final one.
Yeah, the final one. For the taste, I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
Yeah, for me I'll give it a 6. It's a bit not pizzery, like a bit light.
Yeah, I didn't get the taste of cheese or just what makes pizza.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the general place, it's a top notch.
Yeah.
Like the ambience, the place, for me, give it a 9. It's like a full-on place you can go for a dinner date.
Yeah, it's a nice place. It's beautiful. The ambience is perfect.
And the pizza week, then they had the
deal.
Yeah, the deal. So you get 5% if you pay with M-Pesa, and you get, if you buy one, you get one free. And the price, it was okay. It wasn't that expensive.
Yeah, it was fair. So for the price, I'll give it a 8.
Yeah, me too. 8. And overall, I give it a 7.
I'll give it a 6.
Yeah. So,
thank you for joining us in this Pizza Week. I hope you've enjoyed our video.
Yes.
I hope you're going to participate in the Pizza Week and get some yummy pizza for yourselves.
and if there were other pizza places we missed out, let us know in the comments below.
Yeah, comment down below on your favorite pizza place.
Okay, so,
So until the next vlog, we'll see you later.
and make sure to
Like,
subscribe,
and
hit the notification bell.
Yeah,
Just in case, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
or
Just in
the
case.
other side.
Yeah.
No, not up. Yeah. Okay, so see you.
Bye-bye.